Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are studying well, and now through GK we know about so many different areas, okay? So don't you think GK is like a one-stop shop wherein from different subjects we are getting the information in one place itself, isn't it? So children, from the world of animals, birds, behavior and logical thinking, let's move on to the world of to a different world altogether, which is the universe. Okay, so let's talk about these different planets in this chapter. Okay, answer the following question: which planet is covered with thick clouds of sulfuric and hydrochloric acid and with a poisonous atmosphere of carbon dioxide that presses down with 90 times the pressure of the Earth's atmosphere? This is the planet Venus. In which planet the day is 24.6 hours long, just 41 minutes longer than on Earth day. Its orbit is longer than the Earth's and the season lasts twice as long. This is known as the Mars. It is the lightest planet in the solar system, even lighter than water. If you could find a bathtub big enough, it would float. Name the planet. Okay, it's the lightest of all. This is known as the Saturn. What is the name of the largest moon of Saturn, which is much likely like early Earth and may contain the ingredients of life? Okay, this is known as the largest moon. We are talking about the largest moon of the planet Saturn. Okay, so the largest moon is known as the Titan. Okay, on which planet is water found in the form of frozen polar ice caps? Okay, this is known as the planet Mars. So there is water found, but in the form of frozen polar caps. Discovered in 1846, it has not yet made a complete orbit around the sun. Name the planet. This planet is the Neptune. Which planet's moons are named mainly after characters from Shakespeare's play? And this is Uranus. So children, does Mars have moons? Yes, and they are known as Phobos and Deimos. Alright children, now it's time to get some more information from NASA's diary. Okay, let's see what information do they have for us. Okay, recently NASA's Spitzer Space Telescope has revealed the first known system of 7 Earth-sized planets around a single star. All of these 7 planets could have liquid water, which is a key of life, under the right atmospheric conditions. But the chances are highest with the 3 planets that are firmly located in the habitable zone. At about 40 light years, that is 235 trillion miles from Earth, the system of planets is relatively close to us in the constellation Aquarius because they are located outside of our solar system. These planets are scientifically known as exoplanets. This exoplanet system is called TRAPPIST-1, named for the transiting planets and Planetesimals Small Telescope, that is the TRAPPIST in Chile. In May 2016, researchers using TRAPPIST announced that they had discovered 3 planets in the system. Assisted by several ground-based telescopes, including the European Southern Observatory's Very Large Telescope, Spitzer confirmed the existence of 2 of these planets and discovered 5 additional ones, increasing the number of known planets in the system to 7. In contrast to our Sun, the TRAPPIST-1 star, classified as an ultra-cool dwarf, is so cool that liquid water could survive on planets orbiting very close to it, closer than is possible on planets in our solar system. All 7 of the TRAPPIST-1 planetary orbits are closer to their host star than Mercury is to our Sun. Okay? The planets also are very close to each other. These planets are very closely bounded to each other, okay? Not bounded, but they're very close to each other. The planets may also be tidally locked to their star, which means the same side of the planet is always facing the star. Therefore, each side is either perpetual day or night. This could mean that they have weather patterns totally unlike those on the earth, such as strong winds blowing from the day side to the night side and extreme temperature changes. So children, they have found something called 7 small sized planets, okay? The 7 earth-sized planets is what they have found around a single star. So, if you see, there is continuous research going on by the NASA staff, okay, NASA scientists, okay, they have placed telescopes, and through these telescopes, they are studying this universal world, okay, or the space continuously. Alright. At the same time, if you see, even our Department of Science, this ISRO, is always on a go where they are doing different types of research to find about all these planetary systems. Alright. So children, if you get a chance to observe more and to find more about them, do it. And if you get a chance to visit the planetarium, always grab that opportunity and go and watch such places and see what is there for us. Alright, how does the other world also look, okay, is what you can always look through the planetarium. Alright, so children, complete the exercise and then reread this passage so that you understand it better.